I spent about 6 to 8 years on a project in Saudi Arabia where we had 7 towers in a complex, and all of them were designated to be hotel towers because, Mecca is a very big destination, a tourist destination where people come on pilgrimages. So we had 3 high-end hotels and one operator basically who had 3 different brands of 3 different price points or branding points. And then we had a kind of a retail podium. And then we had another hotel, which was a franchise of a hotel. And then we had another hotel, which was a JV between 2 parties, etc. So we devised an agreement because obviously there was many commonalities in terms of the shared areas of this project, in terms of the retail, in terms of many aspects of it. And effectively the owner of the land who was providing a lot of these services, but these services needed to be accessed by all the 7 towers to make the whole complex work efficiently. So we devised a very complex but very efficient shared services agreement. I have since been a big fan of shared services agreement because I saw in a live example how useful it can be when you harness everyone to sort of work together and you share various services and you split the costs in accordance with the usage of those services. So there might be some sort of common services such as cleaning or maintaining elevators and escalators and things like that. And there might be some other bespoke services which relate not just to the podium, which had the shopping, etc., but to that particular tower. And then that tower would be allocated the costs under the shared services agreement. I have since successfully used shared services agreement on many projects, not just hotel projects and not just other projects which have such complexes, but I've also used them in the context of a JV, where I've had a JV partner buy out another JV partner. But because one of the partners is locally based and has a great support system and can provide all kinds of services from labor, immigration, to things like obviously maintenance and other aspects such as even liaising with landlords and things like this, I have devised shared services agreements for them as well. So it's a lesson to be learned. It's not always you need to do everything for that particular building and for that particular owner or that particular venture. You can devise something that's actually of benefit to everyone.